Potholes in Porterville don't just appear overnight. They form over long periods of neglect, weather damage, or poor repairs. When a city or property owner fails to maintain safe road conditions, California law can hold them financially liable for the harm that follows. Drivers, cyclists, motorcyclists, and even pedestrians can suffer serious injuries from potholes. Pothole accidents can mean losing control of your vehicle, leading to broken and fractured bones, spinal injury, concussions, and other damages. When another party is responsible for your injuries, you have the right to seek compensation for your medical bills, lost income, future cost of care, and other damages. However, personal injury claims involving public entities like the City of Porterville have special rules and shorter deadlines. At Mason Law, we want you to have the resources you need for a full recovery. That starts with a free consultation with one of our attorneys to understand all your legal options. So if you or someone you love has been injured by an accident caused by a Porterville pothole, contact Mason Law right away.